Welcome to my channel. Greetings from India. Namaste. In this video, let us see how to engrave square box of the pearl, sides of the square boxes, and on the edges of the square boxes to make the ring soft and shine. At the four sides, the square boxes are made. Here at the corner, I made a star. The graver will not touch the pearl. Now it is the fourth corner of the pearl. I want to make a star and make a square box around the pearl. Here we can look how the square box is made. I engrave the corners of the ring to make the corners soft so that there is no problem to engrave. Now I engrave the sides of the square boxes. On the other side also, same procedure should be done. I engrave sides of the ring from pearl towards the emerald. Now move to the other side. Let us engrave the sides of the ring from emerald, yellow sapphire and towards the cat's eye. Let us engrave a hair width like gold from the edges of the square boxes so that the square boxes look soft. Let us move from coral towards pearl and from pearl, diamond and towards emerald. On every square boxes on the edges we should engrave so that the gold shines. A hair width like gold is engraved on the edges. As we notice that on every square box we remove the sutram to make the gold shine. Let us see. The graver will not left scratch marks on the stones. Now I remove a thin thread width of gold on the square boxes edges of diamond and pearl to make the boxes shine. On the edges of the square boxes A thin thread width of gold is engraved to make the square boxes shine. The edges becomes a shine. It is the final work to make the ring shine. Now towards the diamond. Now from hazelnut, coral and pearl. On each hand, every square box edges. We make it shine. Make them glitter. Make them soft. Now the total ring is completed. I am Prabhakarachari, specialist in diamonds fitting and jewelry manufacturer. Let us give a look how we engrave and fit the stones. With the help of a triangle shaped graver. First, we make separated each and every box. Then we fit 7 stones except coral and pearl that can fit at last. And then hammer the gold towards the stones. Engrave square boxes. Engrave sides of the square boxes. And then engrave edges sutram, hair width of gold on the square boxes. I think you enjoyed my videos. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.